Hello everyone, welcome to GraceArtStudio videos. Today, I'll be teaching you how to draw the impossible triangle. With an equilateral triangle in mind, start off with two vertical parallel lines. Do the same on the lower right side, thus forming a V shape. Make sure the thickness is the same. Using the third side of the triangle as a parallel reference, draw the thickness of the vertical section. Erase the earlier intersection lines to prepare for the next section. Now we will draw the parallel lines for the third side of the triangle. Give it a similar thickness. Complete the base by removing the intersecting lines, and of course the thickness is a reference from the vertical line. Instead of using pencil shading, you can add your favorite watercolor to accentuate each surface. You can also use a marker to outline the shape once again. There you go, it's done. I hope you enjoyed this short little tutorial. Thanks for watching. So please like and subscribe. Bye bye.